In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Halloween intro just like this, inside of Filmora 12. First, we need to download an effect pack from the Filmora Filmstock website. On your browser type in filmstock.wondershare.com. Sign into your account, and on the search bar type in the keyword, horror monster. When it's done loading, click on the horror monster effect pack and download it to your computer. Next I'm going to head over to mixkit.co to search for free video footage to use for our tutorial. I'm going to pick this and click on download. Next step, head over to the Filmora video editing software and import your video file. So I'm gonna import the video we just downloaded from Mixkit and drag and drop it on the timeline. To access your Halloween effect pack, go to the Title tab and click on the Filmstock drop-down and you will see all the available Halloween effect titles you can use. The Horror Monster pack also includes transitions, effects, and stickers. To access any of them, go to the respective tab and click on the Filmstock drop-down to access it. On the timeline, I'm going to add a Halloween transition to the beginning of the video. To add one, go to the Transition tab. Under the Filmstock, I'm going to pick the 10th transition on the Horror Monster and drag and drop at the beginning of the video. Next, we're going to add a title intro to the video. Go to the Title tab and pick any title intro. For this video I'm going to go with the first one and drag and drop it on top of our main video. To edit the titles, double tap on title and type in whatever you want it to display. When you are finished, you can preview it. Next, let's add a music track to our project. Go to the Audio tab, under Sound Effects, click on the Halloween option. I'm gonna go with the Horror Atmosphere 01 and drag and drop it underneath the video track. You can preview your work to see if you like it. You can be more creative with your work because this is just a short tutorial showing you how you can go about it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button to get notified on our latest uploads on the channel. If you want the AI text-to-speech tool I used in this video, click the link pinned in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.